In this video, I'm going to teach you how to export responses into PDF in Typeform. In order to do that, first head over to typeform.com and create the Typeform by clicking on this Get Started is Free or this Sign Up option in order to have an account on Typeform. Now, if you already have an account, head over and click on this Login option that we can see right here. Since I already have one, let me head over and then just log in. Now, here is my dashboard. Now, in order to export responses as PDF in Typeform, you can use your browser Save as PDF Print option. First, navigate to your responses. Head over to the responses section right here. You can see this response options we can see on this case. Open right here your form and go over to the results. Head over right here to the responses. And you can see the responses right here. So for example, you can select all of them right there. And then in here, you can click onto this, download responses, choose in here all your responses, and as you can see, you only have option for CSV as well as XLX option. So if you want to have it as PDF, you can head over and then open this particular response. You can see in here the responses. Just download it right here as CSV. And then once you have downloaded the CSV, next thing you need to do is to just head over right here to a new tab and search in here for CSV to PDF. Now we have in here this cloud convert. Into this part, click on this select a file and then select in here the file that we want. Here it is right here. Click on open. Then after you have done that, click on this convert option. And then this will upload the file. Just wait for this to be uploaded. And once it's done, you can head over and then download it. As you can see right now, it's now a PDF. Download it and you have it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.